Before the skyline, before the golden dome, before the crowds, this was just land. In the late 20th century, Nigeria was building a new capital, Abuja, a city designed from the ground up. But where would its spiritual landmark stand? This location was carefully selected at the heart of the new capital's master plan, a symbol of balance. At the time, it was nothing but open land. But soon, it would become one of Africa's most iconic religious structures. The challenge was enormous. Constructing a national mosque capable of holding thousands, crowned with a massive central dome, required precision engineering from the ground up. Everything begins below the surface. Deep reinforced concrete foundations were designed to anchor the structure firmly into Abuja's soil. The load of the dome, the weight of the minarets, the pressure of thousands of occupants, all had to be calculated. One miscalculation and the entire structure could fail. Little by little, the structure began to rise, each completed milestone bringing the impossible closer to life. But the real engineering challenge was still ahead. A dome of this size creates powerful outward thrust. As gravity pulls it downward, the curved geometry pushes outward. So how do you stop a dome from tearing a building apart? With a reinforced structural ring beam, a circular concrete element designed to absorb and counteract those forces. This is the hidden hero of the entire structure. The structure stands tall against the skyline, its majestic silhouette unmistakable. Even before the mosque was fully complete, parts of it had already begun welcoming worshippers for Jumu'ah prayers, a glimpse of the spiritual life it would foster. Now, the final touches are being applied. Craftsmen move with precision, painting walls in pristine colors, adding intricate decorative elements, and carefully placing every detail that transforms this monumental building into a masterpiece of faith and art. Decades later, nearly 50 years since its doors first opened, the Abuja National Mosque remains as striking as ever. Its pristine state is a reflection of careful maintenance, a tribute to the dedication of those who have preserved its beauty through the years. We celebrate and appreciate everyone who has kept this symbol of spirituality and culture alive for generations to come. Subscribe for more captivating stories of architecture and heritage, and let us know which building you'd like us to explore next. For 3D visualization, interior design, and detailed architectural renderings, reach out to us. Our contact is in the description below.